Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, today is Tuesday, August 20. Let's start with weekly this time on Bitcoin. Let's see what we have on weekly. So, on weekly we can see what a better overview, a zoom out version. You can see here we are finally trying to push above 60k here. It's Tuesday only, so until Monday morning we have kind of another 5 days until this last candle will close. So we cannot say, well, look at weekly how we closed above 60k. No, we can take the liquidity here and then go back down. We don't know, let's just say that we don't know where we'll close this weekly candle. For the moment it's above 60k. That's a bullish sign on daily, on 4-hour chart especially. But on weekly chart we had 2 weeks of indecision below 60k. That wasn't bullish. Let's hope that we'll close this week a lot higher than 60. Who knows? So nice to see that we are trying to push above. You can see even RSI is trying to fight back above 50% or 50 line. But at the same time, remember that it's only Tuesday. We have potential bullish divergence here. We have a divergence already confirmed on OBV. Indicators, they give us some clues that the market is a bit stronger than we see on the chart. Well, that being said, on weekly, let's go and see what we have on daily. And on daily, for me it's pretty simple here. Now you can see move up. We retested 50% here. You can see that's damn bullish. We didn't manage to get in the long reload zone. And we have a W here. Yeah, could be that we'll take the liquidity here at 62, but if daily will close like this or higher, if we'll take this high, 62,700, then we'll have a higher high. And that means we are starting an uptrend. So what do we have on daily now? We have a low, a high, a lower, a higher low, and now we are trying to form a higher high. Let's see if we'll succeed. If we'll close above 62, 500, 700, then we'll have a higher high. That doesn't mean from that point we'll go straight to the moon. No, but we have an uptrend. For the moment, on lower time frame, technically we should think here, we should think short. Yeah, 78.6 short reload zone, candle body highs here. Yeah, but the problem is too much liquidity hidden here. And I don't think liquidity will be left there. Even if we'll reverse, I think we'll SFU some levels and then we'll go down. Just my 2 cents. Indicators. Finally, let's see how this candle will close. You can see we are breaking above 50. That's good. At least we are trying. And hopefully OBV will follow up. For the moment, not the best. Morning, guys. Morning, Rocco, Yopunk, Shogun, and everyone else. Okay, that's daily. Let's switch on the other one. You can see daily closed. We didn't close above 60k. We'll close at the end of the day. But 4-hour chart, it's a different story. On 4-hour chart, we have some W's. And we closed above 60k. So on 4-hour chart we are kind of stronger looking than on the rest. And when we change a trend to the downtrend, from the downtrend to an uptrend, we'll start from the lower time frames. You will see a change in the structure in 1 hour, 4 hour, daily and weekly. So it's important to see what we have. Same thing here. If we'll accept above 62,700, well then we can think about an uptrend. For the moment here on 4-hour chart we should think range. You can see high, low, okay. We are above 60k, that's good. We close above, that's even better. Let's wait here in this range. Let's wait here in the short reloads and see what will happen. You can see we have some confluence here, but that confluence comes a lot higher, kind of a $3,000 higher. You can see it here, confluence between this big short reload zone and this smaller one here at 64,500. So that will be a point where I'll definitely look either to hedge more or to short, just to short the Bitcoin chart. Here, it's dangerous to play around. We can have an AB equals CD, but it's kind of late to hunt a long idea. I want to short, but I have a lot of liquidity above, so it's damn dangerous to do that because they'll hunt the liquidity. So I'll prefer to focus on something else. For example, altcoins, Solana. I posted already a scalp on Solana. Let's see if we'll manage to stay above 60. A lot of people shorted this pump here. You can see they put a lot of pressure here, and usually they'll get punished. So at least taking the liquidity from these levels. On the long side, to think, well, if something bad will happen, any news or anything else, this is the area where we should look for a long, for a swing long, for even on. If we'll get this area, for the moment looks improbable. Doesn't look like we'll get that. But if something is happening, this is the area where we should look for a long idea. As I said in the chat, bot setups everywhere. Yeah, so you can see 1, 2, 3 lows. I don't think you need me to draw the bot even on Bitcoin, but let's do that. Why not? On this one or on a different template? Well, let's finish the overview and we'll talk about bot setups when we'll go on day trading, on swing trading part. Okay, let's go back on daily. So we don't have a daily close. Let's wait for that. Ethereum here. Everyone is looking at Ethereum now. Why? You see a lot of traders, not influencers, traders looking at Ethereum because Ethereum usually in the past give the signal for altcoin season. Maybe this time is different and Solana will give us the signal, but usually we look at Ethereum, and Ethereum, when you see Ethereum pumping, you know that will follow, altcoins will follow Ethereum. And what we have here, so similar with Bitcoin, if something bad will happen, this is the area, 2,300 to get a long. Now we are trying to form a bot setup even here on daily. Yeah? So bot setup, what that means? Let's see if we have a 33% retracement here first on daily. Okay, bot one. There you go. So move up, 33% retracement, one low, two lows. A W here. We can do an AB equals CD aggressive. Usually Ethereum will not give you the second chance. That's for sure. It's ugly to trade on lower time frames. What AB equals CD means? Well, for beginners, because I know a lot of you already know that. Take that, move. And you can see a target here. Well, that is giving us a confluence here. Short reload zone, support and resistance level. Yeah, look left. Market fighted at this level multiple times in the past. So if you want to play something on, I don't know, on position trading, let's call it swing trading, you can take this W, stop loss here, entry here, stop loss here, take profit all the way up here. I could see this level, it's a good one. You can see a lot of confluence here. Huh? When I think you have more than 2 to 1, I think you have a 3.5, something like that. Let's see. Let's see. Well, 2.8. Good enough. What is more than 2 to 1? It's damn good. Or you can go on lower time frames if you are with us on VIP or premium. Go on lower time frame and try to hunt a better level. This is just something you take, this kind of trade you take and you forget about it. Now, either will hit your stop loss, either will hit your take profit. You don't care, you took the trade, you put it in your journal, and next bus. Okay, so on daily indicators, they are looking a bit uglier for the moment on RSI and OBV. You can see here. Nah, we have a W. Finally, we have a W on OBV. That could be a sign. At least they are confirming. Morning, Stefan. At least they are confirming the price action here. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. I'm still hoping, guys, here on Bitcoin dominance. I'm still hoping for an M. As long as we stay below this level, I could still hope for a daily, big daily M. We are retesting from underside, we are retesting this support and resistance level. And now, for a daily M, I don't need this level, I need this one. If the market will close like this or higher, then I need this one to form an M. Let's see what will happen. For the moment, this is the valid level. If we'll accept below this one, then it's a strong signal for altcoins. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Back at 61.8. We bounced every time. You can see we bounced here, we bounced here. We'll bounce here again from 61.8, or we finally accept back in the long reload zone. Well, take your guess. I think we'll bounce, but who knows? Long reload zone from this move up, it's a bit deeper at 42.0042. Let's see what will happen. If we'll accept here, we'll form another M. So we have one M here, and we'll form another M. And we need a damn good, strong W to become bullish on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's see. DXY, it's in the long reload zone. We discussed that yesterday. Not too many things we can do here. Let's see if we'll stay above 100. That's the big level. I saw something interesting on total. You can see here, it's trying to form a bot setup. Total 2, similar, a bit stronger. You can see it's testing the highs here. And total 3, even stronger. So I could see a bot setup on total. No, not something I should trade. You can see it's at limit here, kind of aggressive, but I could see a AB equals CD move here on total 3. Similar. Take this level. And there you go. The target is retesting the highs here. That will be a damn good move to the upside. I saw too many people bearish on Bitcoin. I saw too many people bearish on altcoins. Why? Just ask yourself. Everyone, ask yourself, why I'm bearish on altcoins at the bottom? It's a good strategy. What happened last time when I was bearish on altcoins at the bottom? Just ask yourself, this time is different. It's a fucking good strategy or it's a bad one? I don't get it. Why everyone is bearish on altcoins at the bottom? Could go lower, maybe. It's a buying opportunity, definitely. You'll manage to get exactly the bottom? No. You can dollar cost averaging for that. You can apply dollar cost averaging, you'll get the bottom. I don't understand why people are getting bearish at the bottom of the altcoins. We can look at almost all the altcoins, except Solana and some of them. I just don't get it. I see peer below $3. I see, I don't know, Osmo at a couple of cents. I see a lot of altcoins low. No, I'm not talking about meme coins because they are almost dead, some of them. A lot of altcoins look, well, this is the bottom or close to the bottom, and I'm getting bearish here. Well, will probably go lower. Well, guys, good luck with that strategy. I have Road to Financial Freedom, I have Last Chance Challenge, I have other plans. I'll tell you loud and clear, I'm buying these levels and any level lower than that. Let's just be clear, I'm buying these levels and anything what is lower than that. I still have some dry powder, some cash, and I'll buy, I have limit orders below, and I'll buy everything. In case of Black Swan event, I'll buy that dip. But Black Swan event, go and look what that means. It's an improbable event that will happen without anyone expecting. When everyone is fucking expecting a Black Swan event, come on. That's not a Black Swan event anymore. So, we are in 2024, close to 2025. After 3 years of bear market, and you are bearish on altcoins and everything. Just zoom out, take a free weekend and think about it. You are here to make money, or you are here to look at the media and the influencers and get their bias. They want you to be bearish. They want you to sell the bottom. They want you to buy a lot higher. Tell me crazies, sorry for the rant, but was fucking necessary, and I'll repeat that as long as it takes. So, please don't be bearish here. Buy the fucking dip. With a plan, slow and steady. Yeah, okay, Bitcoin could go to 40k. Yeah, that could push altcoins lower, but that will be a fucking buying opportunity. And we don't know if that will happen. Bitcoin could hold the fucking 60k level, go to 100, 200k, and then come back and test a long reload zone. Yeah, nobody is saying, well, from this level, Bitcoin will go back in the long reload zone. No, we said that, and that's how it's working. The move up has to be done, and then we can expect a 61.8 retracement. But for the moment, you can guarantee me that the movement is done and will not push higher. I don't know. I don't want to see crypto traders arena people left on the sidelines. Well, I'm bullish. I'm more bullish, Catalin, than the influencers. I was bullish at 20k. I'm bullish here. Sorry, I'm not necessarily bullish on Bitcoin. Fuck Bitcoin. Bitcoin did his move, could do more, yeah. But altcoins are at the bottom. Don't come to me after a 10x move on altcoins and tell me, well, I missed the bottom, what the fuck I should buy? Because you'll get a fucking ugly answer from me. Because I'm blabbing away here for free for everyone, telling you the same fucking story every day. Yeah, same story every day. 2024 is buy the dip. 2024 is buy the dip. Put your limit orders at work. Do your job. Do that, do that, do that. Well, you can see 2024 is buy the dip here. And I have this text here from a long time ago. You think will make the big difference from 60 to 45? Bitcoin could go there, make a nice double on daily and push higher. Altcoins will do an SFU and then will push higher. You think if you are not buying now altcoins, you think if Bitcoin will go to 45, you'll buy altcoins then? Without a plan, without some fucking limit orders? You'll be scared as shit. I'll tell you that at 45. So it's up to you guys. Okay, let's go back on what we said we'll do here. We left on total 3 here. I could see a Dalai Lama on daily, and not something you can trade, but you cannot trade this chart actually, but I could see a Dalai Lama here. Move down, going sideways and pushing higher. If you don't know what a Dalai Lama is, well, search Dalai Lama pattern on crypto, Google it and you'll find out. Yeah. And you can see the target for an AB equals it is all the way up here. If we'll accept above this level, then we have a higher high, and that will change the perspective entirely. Now, we can push higher, then we'll retrace, and then we can think short reload zone and things like that. But for the moment, let's watch and see what will happen here. Okay, that's my overview. Let's go on lower time frame. And as you can see on this template, I have a scalp long on Solana. It's just a scalp. Look at the time frame. It's 5-minute chart. So we have A, B, C, D stepping up, and usually in a beginning of an uptrend or in an uptrend, you get moves like this. We'll go up here, we'll come touch 61.8 if you are lucky, and then we'll push higher. You want me to show you that? Well, let me show you that. It's a textbook one, okay? So let's put long reloads on here, yeah? There you go. So move up. Took the high, mountain man, up. Let's do the next one. There you go. Moving up, long reload zone, staying a little bit more here, pushing up. Okay, it's a clear uptrend. Now, if you take this level, didn't touch it, but if you take this one, you can see mountain man, touch it 2 times, pushing higher. So I could think, a stupid trader could think we'll repeat this process and we'll get here in the mountain man and then we'll push higher. I think so. If will not happen, we have a fucking stop loss here. Or we'll say, okay, we took a loss. Our idea was invalidated, next bus. Simple as that. Okay, it's a scalp on 5-minute chart. Usually I don't speak in the public videos about that. I posted this scalp on VIP. By the way, Stefan today has something to do and he'll be out. We'll not make day trading with Stefan today. Maybe next week. So VIP guys and premium guys, you can trade with me in a VIP. I'll open the VIP for premium and we can trade in the London session. And New York session is open for everyone from our Discord. For the public, only from YouTube, well guys, sorry, you'll have to join our Discord if you want to participate in the New York session. London is for premium this time, not for I'm not okay with beginners or public to scalp. At least not to scalp with me. If they want to scalp, they fuck around with their own money, is their business. Okay, so you can see what I was thinking here on lower time frame on Solana. Let's take, I think 4-hour chart. It's okay to take it and look at start with Bitcoin, and I'll clean up a little bit a chart. Okay, I'll clean this one. And you can see why I was thinking bot setup on 4-hour chart here. Okay, so you have a swing low, a swing high. Long reload zone, it's a lot lower. I think already Mr. Johnson posted an idea similar to this, or same idea, I think. And you can see bot setup. Well, a lot of people ask me about the bot setup. Well, it's not my setup. It's from Brian Beamers from TRI. Go and ask Brian more if you want, or follow Brian on Twitter, follow Brian on YouTube. You'll get more information about setup. I'm using this setup. I learned it from him. I'm using it 90% similar as him. Okay, so we need a retracement lower than 33%. Between 33% and 66%. If the retracement is lower than 66%, then we don't have the first condition. Second condition, okay, we clone this move, and we take from the low, we put other levels. Other level means 25, 50, 66 and 100. There are levels. I play that with fib retracement, but they are not fib levels. Okay, so we have one low here, we have two lows here, kind of three lows, and you can see we are pushing higher. We are taking a bit higher. We are above that level. Our entry should be at 25. but because we have 1, 2, 3, it's okay if you had your entry here and you are already in the trade. Okay, if you are not in the trade, you can work a limit order. Yeah, a professional trader is not fucking working with market orders. 95% of the time is working only with limit orders. Yeah. When you see traders entering at the market every fucking time, that's not a professional trader. That's the best clue you can have. So, A, B, C, D, you can see the target for this bot setup is here at 70k. If the market is strong, we can go there. We will chase here? No. Even with 4-hour bot setup, you need 59,500, yeah, kind of that level. A 3-to-1 risk to reward, it's welcome every time in my journal. I'll take that. And bot setup, it's a damn good setup when the market is trending. You have to understand that. This is a trend following system. This is for trends, not for range. Okay, so we explained what is a bot setup. On Brian Beamish, you'll find out that he has specific rules. He will enter at 25 here, breakout or retest, it's up to him. And if the market will reach 50% after he entered the trade, he will move the stop loss at scratch. And then if we'll hit 66, he will start trailing. And we'll take the total profit at 100%, at the final target. Usually I'm not doing that. I take the trade here and take my stop loss or take my take profit. It's that simple. I want to keep the things a lot simple. No? So usually I'll do that. If I'll see here close to my fucking target and I'll see clear signs that, okay, this will reverse, well, I could move my stop to scratch. Or I could make a scratch position, closing partially the trade and leaving the stop loss here. I'll decide there. Okay, so that's Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. I showed you what a bot setup usually means. For more, I repeat, for more, go and watch Brian Beamish from TRI. He's the, I learned it from him. I don't know if he invented this setup or not. I don't care about that. I learned it from him, so I'll give him credit for that. Go and watch Brian, follow him on Twitter. It's a win-win. You'll see he has good ideas. He's a damn old trader in this market. It's a lot older in crypto than most of us. Okay, so let's start with the rest of altcoins. Well, IEVO here you can see I was waiting for a long reload zone, but that's why I said, people, that's why I said I see bot setups everywhere. Well, because bot 1, 33, 66. Let's clone this one. Come on. Don't be. Then let's put the second one. Well, there you go. Can you see what I see here? Bot setup, W the other side of the trend line, 4-hour chart, take a swing trade, leave with the results. You don't have to take all the trades that they have a bot on the long side on 4-hour chart because, you know, crypto market is well correlated and you'll have a big trade with a big fucking risk. But you can select the best ones and you can take 1 or 2 ideas and play around, make some money. Well, you'll find him at my Twitter. You want me to share the link from Brian Beamish? Well, I'll do that. I think I have it here somewhere. Well, I'll do that after the live stream. Yeah. Okay. So, or just wait one second and I'll do that. Just wait 1 second and I'll post it on I'll just post it in a chat. Come on. 1 second, guys. Seems like well, this is the link. Follow this guy. Go and follow Brian. Say hello from my part. This is the guy who teach me the process and how to trade. So you have it now. Okay, let's see. So bot setup here, 1, 2. I don't know if I could consider 3 lows here, but I think so. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. W, W's, W's, W, 3 to 1. I could see a bot setup here. Pretty clean. Huh? So entry there, stop loss there. Take profit all the way up here. You can trail more if you want, but this is a 3 to 1 system. Huh? Okay. Let's take a look at the next one. Well, similar. This one doesn't have any anything, has one low. It's just to I don't see it. So not the best one. I don't see anything here. Yeah, I could pump, but not the best for us. CRV. Well, on CRV we are waiting. We are waiting for a Stefan setup here. We took the high. We don't have enough here for a bot, you can see. This one pumped and now is cooling off. Either will form a bot setup, either will go here at Mountain Man and we'll get an entry. Pretty simple. Dimension, kind of similar here. If we'll pump straight up, well, so be it, next bust, nothing we can do. But if we'll come back here and give us an entry or a W here or something, or an LJ, I could see an LJ here on lower time frames. Yeah? So take this one. Well, give me a W the other side of this fucking trend line. Well, the lower the better, and then I could play. To chase here? Nah. E-Gold, bot setup, you can see. No? Either we can wait here or we can play a bot setup. Clone. I'll put the same levels. Yeah. Swing high, swing low. And I'll apply the bot 1. And you can see below 33, above 66. That's good. Let's clone that. Take this one, put it here. You can see we are above that R entry. I'll show you immediately. 1, 2, 3 lows. Breaking out, waiting at the retest. Perfect setup. So why not? Okay. So another setup here. I could do that over and over again on all the altcoins or most of them. I will not do that. I showed you what I mean and what I see in the market. Most of you already know how to trade. Huh? Most of you know the bot setup, so take advantage. Ethereum. Well, I could see a bot setup on Ethereum here. Huh? We can have something. Well, let's clean it up. I have too many fucking levels here, and they are useless until we had the SFU, we had everything we needed. We played around. I made some money. You made some money, hopefully. Bot 1, similar, below 33, and this is the last one. I'll put the bot on. You'll have to wait with that, okay? Second, and you can see A, B, C, D, target here. Not a bad location, 3,200. Look left is in a short, 3 lows on if you take this swing high, swing low. So I could see that. You can see in the same time we have 1, 2, 3 lows and we are below the entry. So you can wait or you can take the trade, it's up to you. Okay, FET. It's ranging. I see a range here. I don't want to touch something like this. ING, bot setup. I showed you. Joe, bot setup. Or LJ, you can see. W, first W, wait for a retest here. W the other side of the trend line. So you have a setup. Bot setup here. Again, pixel. Similar. This one is in a uptrend channel. So you can play the channel here. 1 second, the high between that. Pretty simple. I showed you multiple times how to do that. Extend. And now you have an uptrend channel. If you know how to play an uptrend channel, play it. If you don't, come and learn in Capua 1. Now, we'll start in September, probably. Or if you already know how to trade and you want to sharpen your tools and become a scalper, well, then join us in Capua 2. And then you'll find new setups. You'll find how we scalp on lower time frames, things like that. Now, Solana. I have a scalp here, but I could see a bot setup. You can see the big W here. Yeah? 1, 2 lows. I don't know if it will give us the third one. Solana usually lately is pretty strong. I could see the bot setup. What I have here, I have my scalp. Will succeed or not is just a scalp. Let's wait for an entry first. Yeah? Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart and look at ton. Well, I blabbed away more than half an hour. 35 minutes, so it's too much for me. Bot setup, we have this setup. We spoke about it multiple times in the last couple of days. We are already in. AB equals CD, you can see it's higher. Nothing we can do on this one. If you want to work a order here, I don't know. We touched 50% already, so up to you. On the news side, today we have some Feds speaking, blabbing away, so they could move the market, but they will speak later in the day in the New York session. Tomorrow we have FOMC minutes, so that could give us some dark maul candles or some direction or something. But again, at the end of the New York session, so pretty clean from the news or reports perspective to trade. We can go and trade without thinking too much about news. Okay. That being said, guys, I'll go on live stream on Discord this time, and I'll trade with VIP and premium people. See you in the New York. Everyone has access there. If not, see you tomorrow with the same live stream. Bye bye.